Everyone, this is Amanda Wray coming to you with a update on the Power Lead system. And today we're going to discuss and walk through how easy it is to set up a funnel with this opportunity. Now, with funnels, when it comes to Power Lead system, funnels are really important because that's basically what drives leads and also sales to your business. And that's how you start to actually get paid. What we love about funnels is that they work for you when you're sleeping, when you're eating, when you're taking the kids to school. They just work 24 hours, 7 days a week. So it allows you to pick up on how many leads and how much traffic you receive within your business. Okay, so when you are at your screen and you come in here, you'll see that there's certain tabs here at the top. What you want to do is take your time and go through the tabs. The first thing that you're going to do is this is going to be your main setup. And this is the easiest way to start. So if you click here and click this easy button, let me just log in really quick. Excuse me. Okay, so you get started in 3 simple steps. This is a join a Facebook group. They do have an active community where you can join and ask questions and also see other people's results and get more information. You choose the links that you want to advertise and you advertise your links. So here, if you have another business that you want to promote, you can actually add that here and hit update. This is going to be the business that other people see when they join you directly. So every time they go into their website, they'll see this information right here. Here you have the lead lightning. You can open this up and see what the link looks like for that. Okay, so for the lead lightning, this is a $7 business. Okay, this is how much it costs to get started, and then you're gonna get, I believe, $6 for each person that join. I really don't promote this business mainly because it's only $7, and for me that's not, it's not a lot. So if you want to see what this looks like, I'm going to just go ahead and connect it to one of my domain names, and then I'm going to create it so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the lead lightning business opportunity. This is what the capture page looks like. And it just says easiest online system creates leads and daily cash. So if I put an email in here, send it to me. I have to, of course, put this code in. It's always is going to pop up, confirmation verification code. And then this is the lead lightning sales page. So there's a short video. And here's perfect for beginners. Start generating commissions immediately, creates daily buyer leads, generate leads and enrollments to your primary business. And it has a professionally written order responder campaigns to boost your sales. There's no monthly fees. You pay this one time, and then you're able to promote it as many times as you want. And again, this one is a $7 one-time fee, and you're able to collect unlimited $6 commissions for each person that buys into the lead lightning. So that's one that you can actually start promoting. Then they have the free lead system here. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And then I would just, again, put in the domain I want to use. This is going to say free. Okay, I'm going to create this and open this up. And this is for the free leads. So here, again, I put in an email, put in your code. And then this is the free leads capture page, sales page. So here's another short video. And then once you watch this video, you get instant access. And this is going to allow you to start collecting free leads. There's nothing that you need to buy. It's basically a free system. And this goes again to the lead lightning page, but you can set up a free account. Well, actually, it's not free. It's $7, excuse me. And then this again is the lead lightning system. And this is going to give you the free leads training that shows you how to build leads for free at no charge. So it just looks a little bit different, but it's one and the same. And then if you go back to click the easy button and you come down here, you have the fire your boss funnel. And here you would go right in. And then I'm going to just put in fire, create. And here, this is going to take you to this new funnel that was created. And you'll be able to basically take a look at what the sales page looked like and the information that's there as well. So how to build a $4,679 a month business from your kitchen table or anywhere. And then it's a video, which is a bit long, but as soon as you finish watching the video, it'll let you basically go on to the next section. But it's a very powerful video. And it's how a Staples checkout girl made $106,000 in just 12 months online and moved her family to paradise without creating products, building websites, or any techie knowledge whatsoever. So you can watch this video and this will take you to the sales page, okay? So these are the ones that they're offering. Now, if you decide you want to set up your own capture page and also your own sales page, you can do so by creating web pages. So when you come in to create your web page, you want to start with a custom template, which is what I recommend. And you want to have the survey, the opt-in survey form. Here are going to be the different ones that they recommend. And you can pick the one that you like. Recently, I just made one with this one here, template 3. So if you want to click on it, you can see what it looks like. You can hit this view button. And basically, it's just a video here. You can put in your own video or you can use one of their videos. Stop struggling to build a home-based business. And you can put whatever you want right here. And then some information here at the bottom. If you want to see what mine's look like, right below this video in the description box will be the information for the one that I built out. And it took me literally 15 minutes to create the whole entire funnel. Then they have another one here, and it just has your header. The difference is this one has stop struggling to build a home-based business. This one doesn't. So you can choose the one that you want. And then once you do it, it'll take you through the steps to build out that particular capture page. Now, if you don't want that one, you can always go back to lead capture pages. And again, you can just look at the ones that you like and basically figure out which one fits best what it is that you're looking for. If you want one that doesn't have a video, or if you want one that uses one of their videos, you can do that. Let's just say you don't want one with a video. You can do this, and you can, on these, I know you can change the background. Okay, so this is a video background. And then here they have the options for you to view it. So here's the first one. If you don't like that, you can go to the second one. And if you don't like that, they have a third one, okay? So this is what they offer. And again, they have other ones as well. But when you're starting out, you're basically just following everything step by step. And then you're making the options, you're choosing options that you want based off of the style, the color, the video, what you want it to say, the information that you want to give to capture your audience, okay? And then they also allow you to collect, like if you want to collect phone number, name, and email, you can do that. If you want to collect the name and email only, you can do that. Or if you want to collect just email, they also have that as well. So they have different options here. All you have to do is go right into you create the web pages and then just start basically building those web pages out based off of what it is that you're looking for. And there's an instructional video here, okay, for you to start the process. Now they do have ones that are built out for you. They have the capture pages already done for you. If you want to select that, you can do so. They have the funnels already built out for you. And that's basically when you're coming here to click the easy button, you don't have to do anything. These are the ones that they recommend, and this is what's already built out for you. Now, if there's a company that you want to promote, you can come here, and they have a whole bunch of different companies that you can incorporate into your powered lead system funnel. So what's going to happen is if you do that, not only are they going to promote the Power Lead system, but it's going to also promote your business opportunity by you just clicking on whichever one you want and then saving it here. And that's going to allow you to promote your primary business on top of the Power Lead system if that's what you decide to do. But as you can see, the list goes on and on and on. Basically, any business that you have that's like an affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing business opportunity is going to be listed there for you to actually upload that information. Now, one of the things that a lot of people struggle with is adding your picture. So I'm going to go over that really quick. If you want to add your picture, it has to be one of these files here, and it has to be 200 KB or less. Now, what you want to do, this is a 95 pixel by 98. If you pick up a PicMonkey account, you can get one for free, okay? All you're going to do here, this is where I create my thumbnails, but all you're going to do is click on PicMonkey once you get your free account. You're going to hit create new, and you're going to go to blank canvas. When you come here, you're going to put in those pixels that they give you, right? So right here, it says 95 by 98. You're going to put 95 here, and you're going to put 98 here to make sure it's the right size. You're going to make it happen. And this is how big it needs to be, which is not that big. But what you want to do is whatever image you want to add here, you're going to add the image by uploading it from your computer. So you're going to save the image to your computer, and then you're going to come here and you're going to upload that photo. So you're going to click on a photo that you want, and it could be pretty much any picture that you like. Once you have that photo, you're going to drag the photo here and drop the photo. And then boom, there it is. Put the photo right in. And from that moment, you just need, once you have it here, you just need to save it. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to just download this image. So I'm going to download this as a PNG, which is fine. You download it. And this is image PLS. I'm going to save it. And then once you have it saved, all you have to do is put it right in here. So you can choose a file. Once you choose it, you go to that picture, right? Click on it and then upload. And then it's going to upload right here. It takes about 30 seconds or so, and you're all set. Your picture is now there on your PLS site. So when you create certain funnels, or if you want your picture where people can see who they joined with, they're going to see your information, your picture there. So, you can go to any type of place where you can edit photos, edit videos. You just want to make sure that when you start the process that you choose the right pixels, which is 95 by 98. And then you're just putting it into this small box to make sure that it fits, in that area, so that you'll be able to upload it. If you cannot upload it, it's going to tell you, it's going to give you an error message and say it wasn't able to do it. More than likely, it's just too big. The space is too big. Okay. So this is how easy and convenient it is to create funnels and to get started with the Power Lead system, just by going through these steps, choosing the level that you want. You don't have to choose every level. You can choose the ones that you want, and you can upgrade as you go. If you're really loving the system, you're loving the training, the community, and you decide, I want to go all in, you can go right here to the Master Traffic Institute and just buy it. But remember, each level is, you have to purchase that individually. If you come in at the Master Traffic Institute, it does not mean you have access to all the levels above it. These are all single products that you have to purchase individually in order to have access to. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope you got information that'll help you to make an educated buying decision to become a part of the Power Lead system. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.